Welcome back to Maths Dhuni. In this video, I am going to solve question number 6 of exercise 20.2 of B.S. Grewal textbook. And the question is, under the transformation W equal to Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1, show that the map of the straight line x equal to y is a circle and find its center and radius. So, we need to find the center and radius of the circle. And the transformation is given by W equal to Z minus 1 by Z plus 1. So, we have given W equal to Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. Now, we need to find Z. So, we multiply W into Z plus 1, it is equal to Z minus 1. That is WZ plus W equal to Z minus 1. Now, W, take this minus 1 here, is plus 1, then Z minus WZ. So, W plus 1 equal to Z into 1 minus W, taking Z as common. So, Z is equal to here 1 plus W and this 1 minus W. So, Z is equal to 1 plus W divided by 1 minus W. This is the transformation. So, now we put Z is equal to X plus IY and W equal to U plus IV. So, that we can show that this is a circle. So, X plus IY equal to 1 plus U plus IV divided by 1 minus U plus IV. That is 1 plus U plus IV divided by 1 minus U minus IV. So, let us rationalize this term 1 plus U plus IV divided by 1 minus U minus IV. So, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of this denominator 1 minus U minus IV. This conjugate is 1 minus U plus IV. Multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 minus U plus IV. Now multiply term by term, we get 1 into 1 minus U plus IV is 1 minus U plus IV. Now plus U into 1 minus U plus IV, that is U minus U square plus IUV. Now plus IV into 1 minus U plus IV, this plus IV minus IUV plus I into I minus 1, it's minus I, so minus V square, and denominator, this is A plus IB into A minus IB, which is A square plus B square, that is 1 minus U whole square plus V square. So, A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Here B is I into V. So, I square is minus 1. So, 1 minus U whole square is plus V square. Now, let us cancel terms minus U plus U and plus IUV minus IUV. What we get? 1 plus IV 2 IV minus U square minus V square. And the denominator is 1 minus U whole square plus V square. So, we get this. So, X plus IY equal to this. Now, taking the real part and imaginary part separate, 1 minus U square minus V square divided by 1 minus U whole square plus V square plus I into 2V divided by 1 minus U whole square plus V square. So, what we get? X plus IY equal to 1 minus of U square plus V square. taking minus common outside, divided by 1 minus u all square plus v square plus I into 2v divided by 1 minus u all square plus v square. On comparing, this is our x and this is our y. But we given that straight line y equal to x. So, here x is equal to y. We can write 1 minus of u square plus v square divided by 1 minus u all square plus v square equal to 2v divided by 1 minus u all square plus v square. The denominator is same. So, equating the numerator 1 minus u square plus v square equal to 2v. That is 1 minus u square, taking minus v square this side, 2v plus v square. So, what we get? 1 minus u square, this is v square plus 2v. Now, just add 1 and minus 1. This is 1 minus 1, 0. V square plus 2v plus 1 minus 1. What is this? V square plus 2v plus 1 is v plus 1 whole square and this minus 1. So, what we get? Finally, we got 1 minus u square and taking the term this side minus of v plus 1 whole square plus 1 equal to 0. That is 1 plus 1 2 equal to u square plus v plus 1 whole square. That is u square plus v plus 1 whole square equal to 2. This is the circle, equation of circle. This is the equation of circle with the center 0, minus 1 and radius root 2. Center 0, minus 1 and radius root 2. That is equation is u minus 0 whole square plus v minus minus 1 whole square equal to root 2 whole square. This is the equation of circle with the center 0 and minus 1 and the radius root 2. So, hence we proved